Howdy, Chips. This is Todd Osborn, Superintendent of Chippewa Local Schools, and I'm here today in our new multi-purpose room here at CIS. One of the goals when I started here as superintendent 6 years ago was to upgrade facilities. I was challenged by the board to come up with plans not only to update our athletic facilities, but also our school facilities. But one of the first accomplishments that we had is getting the football stadium done. We got that turfed. It was considered unable to be playable for soccer and football, and they did not want us on us. They didn't think it was a safe environment. So from there, we worked on the stadium and started making a list. And you can see this as I am holding a long list, which I will post on the website. And we estimated what it would cost, and then I have the actual cost that we're able to do. A lot of donations of time and money went into making this happen. So hopefully you can see the kids in the background enjoying a little bit of playing basketball here in a multi-purpose room. It fits in. You can kind of see the Chippewa basketball sign on the back of that and going through. But like any big project that you take on facility-wise, there's a lot of people to thank and make sure that it happens. But one of the things I want to do is explain what we've done so far. One, we started a maintenance replacement fund. Coming in and not using taxpayers' money, but through fundraisers, through events that take place, we put money in this maintenance fund. So when things do need to be replaced, things do need to be repaired, we have that fund there to do that, and we're not using taxpayers' money with. And currently that fund sits with a little over $50,000 in it. We've made upgrades to the baseball stadium. We've made upgrades to the stadium itself. Obviously returfing, having artificial turf out there is a big upgrade, but also in the stadium in terms of sound system, seating, and just the overall environment in making a good traffic flow back and forth to press box. The softball, we relocated that to the high school after the sale of the middle school, and that is a phenomenal environment, whether you sit on the hill and watch the field down there or sit along in your lawn chair along the side of the softball field. We have probably one of the best fields within Wayne County at this point in time. Tennis courts have been totally resurfaced. So you can see them from Clinton Road, or at least stop by the school and take a look at those. But the courts are beautiful. You play on a blue court for the Chippewa blue with the green outlines. They have all been redone, and cracks have been repaired, and it is a phenomenal environment for our kids to play in. We've redone the wrestling room up at the high school. It was a multi-purpose room. We converted it into a major wrestling room, big enough to hold our middle school and high school programs. The piece of property beside the stadium that we purchased, that property was purchased for any potential further expansion out there, whether it be locker rooms, concession stands, parking. We just needed to improve our footprint out there, but also give us access to Gate Street. As you can see here with the kids shooting around back here, and we're going to move down, the multi-purpose room is more than just basketball. A class just left in here. They had a presentation in here and they needed the space, and a class just left in here. Also, as you can see on the floor, I have blue lines coming through here. And as you kind of move over this way, you'll see that we have canisters in here for our volleyball posts, so we'll be able to play volleyball in here, and also in the main competition gym over here. And as we come down here, I will show you the pickleball court that was brought in. Oh, and a miss. There we go. But what a great opportunity to come in here during your classes, maybe your spare time, take on your teacher, Mr. Wrigley, and take him on in a game of pickleball. But just come in and enjoy. Whether it's after school, and we have some after school programming that goes on, whether we have recess, and now we have 2 places to go for indoor recess. If it's snowing outside or raining, we come in here, we can have pickleball set up going on. We're going to get more rackets, if anybody would like to donate a few. We need another system. Actually, it'd be nice to have 4 of them. We can actually have them going in both courts, maybe even an after-school competition and have pickleball teams. But the idea behind the multi-purpose room is to have multi-purposes for the room. Get kids engaged in activities, have fun, pass it around, get it used by anybody and everybody within our school system for whatever they want to use it for. We'll continue to add to this room. If you'll see over on the far wall, we're going to have to pad the room here and put blue pads over here. We probably need some painting. in this room, but we do have space and we have storage, and our idea behind this is to get kids active and participating in. Thank you very much. Thank you for helping out here today. I appreciate it. This is Todd Osborn, Superintendent. We will do Chipp Talks once a month in this district and take on a different area each and every time. So you can look forward to Mr. Rodriguez next month in January, talking about scheduling at the high school. Have a great day, Chips.